Hi and welcome back to our channel. Before we begin today's video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified in future. So today's video is going to be about the best Christmas gifts you can give to your friends, family or relatives. So let's begin the video without wasting any further time. So the first product for today is Fun Express Holiday Bookmark with activities for Christmas. Bookmark helps you to keep a track of where you are at your book. And who does not want to keep a track of the pages in the book, especially if you are a reader who tends to read more than one book at a time. These 24 pieces of Christmas special bookmarks are available on Amazon at only $9.99. These holiday bookmarks make a great Christmas party favors for classroom parties and fun stocking stuffer ideas too. Each prismatic design has a fun activity on the back, making these kids' bookmark an entertaining way to safer space in the story. The set of 24 is available of 6 inches each. And don't forget the link to these products is also attached in the description below. The second product for today is Christmas coloring books for kids. It is only available for $13.99 on Amazon. It is ideal for Christmas activities as a gift. Are you looking for some Christmas gift for kids? Our product is full of Christmas atmosphere and funny coloring books are great holiday gifts. Also, a funny creative book can help a kid to be creative with their own color choices. Also, it can keep a boy or a girl occupied for hours and productive way. Introducing Super Value Pack, our fun coloring book have 24 packs in 8 unique color and each color have different pattern. Perfect Christmas party supplies for age 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old kid. Each book contains 10 pages and designs such as sloth, Santa, elf, unicorn, snowman and penguin and more. The book is 5 into 7 inches. Nice Christmas goodie bag or stocking filler. It is a unique party gift for kids. The Christmas themed coloring book will give the kid the best Christmas day. The books are filled with cute and funny patterns they love. Perfect for Christmas coloring activity book at indoor Christmas party and school activity. Make more fun of your Christmas day. Make the kids happy. Our coloring book are fit for goodie bags and briefcase for Christmas party favors. Both kid and adult can get a lot of enjoyment out of these Christmas toy bulk. They are also a great prizes or gift for kids. Suggested to use a color pencil on it. Don't forget that the link to the product is also attached in the description below. Moving on to the third product, Christmas Kraft gift bags with assorted Christmas prints for craft bags. Who isn't in need of a Christmas themed bag for a Christmas gift? It includes 24 different bags with 12 different designs and 3 sizes of bags. 12 design includes reindeer, Santa, snowman, cardinal, penguin and polar bear. High quality permanent ink, thick and sturdy durable handles. Super value pack for Christmas gift wrapping, perfect for Christmas decoration, Christmas gift wrapping, Christmas gift decoration. Holiday gift extra special, decorating parties, wedding, Christmas trees, classroom, party favors, wine bottle and more. 6 square small bags with 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches to 4.5 inches. The package includes 6 small square bags, 6 large square bags and 12 rectangular bags. If you are interested in buying these bags, do not forget that the link to the bag is also attached in the description below. Moving on to the most fun product for today, Christmas 30 gift card, money holder and 30 envelopes, the most important gift for the Christmas. It holds cash, checks or a gift card. Beautifully designed cards, blank on inside, bright and colorful designs. It includes 30 cards and 30 envelopes. Each card measures approximately 3.25 inches to 6.25 inches. So this is it to the most important Christmas products you can buy on Amazon. Do not forget that the link to these products is attached in the description below.